Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is data sanitization tools. So let's get started. In the digital age, data is an invaluable resource. It's the lifeblood of businesses and the backbone of countless technologies that we use every day. However, with the benefits of the data comes the responsibility of managing it appropriately, which includes the careful handling of data when it's no longer needed or when a storage device is about to be discarded, recycled, or resold. This is where the concept of data sanitization comes into play. Data sanitization is the process of permanently and irreversibly removing or destroying the data stored on a memory device to prevent unauthorized access or data recovery. In simpler terms, it's a bit like using a digital paper shredder. Once you shred a physical document, you can't put it back together. Similarly, once data is sanitized, it can't be recovered. It's crucial to understand that the conventional deletion and formatting functions of operating systems do not completely erase data. Instead, these functions merely remove the pointers to the data, making it invisible to the operating system but not permanently deleted. Consequently, these deleted files can often be recovered using specialized software. If you have ever accidentally deleted a file and then retrieved it from the recycling bin or with the help of a recovery tool, you have seen this in action. Data sanitization works differently. It doesn't just remove the pointers to the data, it overwrites the existing data with a new data, making it virtually impossible to recover the original information. This process can involve overwriting the data with random data, all ones or all zeros, a process known as zeroization, or repeated patterns of ones and zeros. Consider an old CD that you have used to store data. If you merely delete the files or format the disk, someone with the right tools and knowledge can potentially recover the data you thought was gone. But if you use a data sanitization method, the original data is replaced by other information, essentially scrambling the original data into oblivion. Data sanitization tools are an essential part of this process. These are software or hardware solutions designed to carry out the sanitization process efficiently and effectively, ensuring that no remnants of the original data remain. They are the must-have when it comes to discarding, recycling, or reselling computer systems or storage devices, ensuring that sensitive data doesn't end up in the wrong hands. For example, let's say you are a company upgrading your computer system. Your old system may contain sensitive information, anything from customer data to trade secrets. Simply formatting the hard drives or deleting files doesn't guarantee this information is gone. Someone savvy enough could recover the data and potentially use it for malicious purposes. But by using a data sanitization tool, you can ensure all the data is permanently wiped, thus protecting your business and your customers. The importance of sanitizing storage devices extends beyond the business realm. For individuals, sanitization is crucial before selling or disposing of old devices like smartphones, tablets, or personal computers. Personal data, including photos, bank details, and private messages, could otherwise be recoverable, leading to the potential data loss or leakage, which could result in identity theft or other forms of personal harm. In a nutshell, data sanitization is all about making sure your data truly disappears when you want it to. It's about ensuring that all storage devices, whether they are hard drives in your corporate data center or smartphones in your pocket, are completely and thoroughly cleansed of data before they leave a secured environment. It's not just a best practice, it's a critical step in maintaining data privacy and security in our increasingly digital world. In conclusion, data sanitization and the use of data sanitization tools are critical elements of responsible data management, whether for a global corporation, a small business, or an individual. By ensuring the permanent and irreversible removal of data, we protect sensitive information from being retrieved and misused, safeguarding both personal privacy and business interests. In a world where data is as valuable as gold, data sanitization is the high security wall that keeps it safe even when it's no longer needed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website and don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. If you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we'll try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.